Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Yonvim baby monitor. 1080p 5-inch HD. This is a video baby monitor with the camera and audio function. With 5000 mAh battery in the tablet. We have two possibilities of mounting. That means one flexible mount and one mount which you can install by using screws. It comes with no Wi-Fi needed. It comes with night vision, with a long range, two-way talk, a remote pan tilt, and a temperature sensor, and 4x zoom. The video baby monitor with the camera and audio has a large 5-inch color LCD with 1080p HD resolution. Provide us with sharp pictures, 2x and 4x zoom. Capture more detail of the baby. The Yonvim baby monitor camera can be rotated remotely 330 degrees pans and 110 degrees tilt. This gives us a large view of the nursery. The portable baby monitor with camera has a built-in 5000 mAh battery. We don't need to charge frequently. Easy to carry too. When the monitor fully charged, the battery life is up to 15 hours with the screen always on, and up to 25 hours with the VOX mode, VOX, always on. The VOX mode is power saving, and we can focus on our thing until the monitor is activated by the baby sound. It's a nice travel baby monitor too. The crib camera baby monitor with two mounts solution. That means wall mount and a flexible twist mount. The twist mount is very easy to attach to the cribs, tables, shelves, and so on. We don't need to purchase additional mounts to get the ideal view. This is the best baby monitor without Wi-Fi. It can be connected up to 4 cameras if you like. And we can split screen features allows us to view multiple cameras on the same screen on a tablet. The wireless baby monitor with no Wi-Fi or internet and no app needed is easy to use and much more easy to set up. It's adopt advanced 2.4 GHz FHSS and digital encrypted technology. We don't need to worry about hacking, of course. The long distance baby monitor can cover 1000 feet in open area. The electronic device, metal objects and other obstacles in the room may affect the remote monitoring distance, of course. And we have infrared night vision, which will automatically turn on at the night or in low light condition. We can see the baby clearly without turning on the lights, and we won't not to disturbed while our baby sleeps. This non-Wi-Fi baby monitor with temperature sensor comes in a range of the temperature above 29 degrees Celsius or below 40 degrees Celsius. It gives us a monitor a reminder to adjust the room temperature to keep our baby much more comfortable while it is sleeping. Yonvim was founded in 2000 and it has been focused on providing the highest quality and the best performance video baby monitors. Yonvim is committed to the best research and development, recruiting the most innovative engineers, and connecting the world's top and manufacturers. Yonvim sells its product to more than 20 countries and regions worldwide. It's really easy to install this device because you does not have to pair it. It is already paired, of course. You does not need a Wi-Fi passcode, for example. You does not have problems with hacking because of the internet. This is a standalone version at home or on vacation trip. We have a remote pan tilt. We have two-way audio We have night vision. We can zoom up, 1,000 feet long range, low battery life with a long battery life, or sound detection VOX, and we can, if it's necessary, dock until 4 cameras to the Yonvim baby monitor system. And it's really easy to install this on the camera itself. So we have an infrared sensor on the front, of course a camera too, a microphone. We have a pair button. If we have to pair it, we push on the cam to pair it with the tablet. Job's done. We have an infrared light, charging light, and a speaker. Then on the back side of our camera system, we have a temperature sensor, a nice antenna, and USB power supply connection, because the camera system needs power supply. The tablet does not need power supply all the time, only for recharging the battery. On the bottom side, we have mounting holes, 2 of them. That means if we screw 2 screws into the wall, we can mount it directly, no problem. And we have a base mounting hole for the stand version. On the tablet, we have an LED light. That means if our baby is crying, for example, or noise is in the baby's room, it will shows you with LED indication how loud it is. And then we have an LCD screen on the center. Then we have different kind of buttons. On the left upper side, we have a confirm button and a camera switch button. Short press confirm button, a long press camera switch button. Then we have on the right upper side, we have a volume button and a lullaby button. That means if we short press it, volume button, long press, lullaby button. Then we have an arrow to go up, down, left, and right. This is the direction buttons. And then we have on the bottom right side, we have a screen zoom button and an intercom. Short press, that means screen zoom, and long press, intercom. Then you can speak to your baby, for example. Then on the bottom left button, we have the power button to switch on and off with a short press. And long press, we go to the menu. Then, of course, we have a microphone built in and hang rope hole and USB power supply connection to recharge the battery, a speaker, an antenna, and a reset button. For the reset button, we will need to reset the tablet. We will need a SIM card extraction tool, for example, and a bracket. We are easily get this system go because we does not have to program anything. We can go to the camera settings if we like by using the menu button to switch into it. Of course, you can see on the screen some informations. On the upper left side on the screen, you will see signal strength. This shows the current signal strength itself. And a camera patrol, the camera system number, if you have more than one camera installed. Then we have a VOX alarm function, volume sensitive detection. This can be adjusted in the menu, how sensible it will be. Then we have temperature, the ambient temperature, where the camera is located, of course. Then we have a nursery reminder alarm clock, visible when the feeding reminder is set. We can set the feeding reminder time in the menu. Then we have a lullaby sign there. Display the current status of the lullaby switch or the lullaby's track number. Then we have a zoom in and out settings, overview on the screen, and of course a screensaver. The displays the current set screen time is shown there. Then we have a volume display, the current volume, and of course a timestamp. This displays the current time. Then the battery status is shown on the screen. This shows the battery level or the charging status. We are going to get it easily going, and then we can start and have fun with it. The fun is to hear while our baby maybe is crying, and we does not have to have worry about that, to forget the baby maybe it's crying and you does not hear it. With this John Wayne here baby monitor, you will hear it and you will get a notification of it, and then you can go to the baby and make a lullaby for it or something else. This is a really cool feature, I think. If you have a baby or more than one baby, it's also possible to track your pets with that, your dog and cat, for example, or you track older persons, maybe sick or ill persons are possible to track with that system too. And it comes to one tablet, and it does not is connected to the internet, so hackers has no possibilities to enter into your system with that on this way. This is the John Wayne baby monitor with 1080p 5-inch HD. It's a video baby monitor with camera and audio system with 5000 mAh. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.